A day after Chief Minister N. Biren launched attack on two Congress Lok Sabha MPs, Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol has urged Chief Minister to seek appointment for all party delegate to meet Prime Minister. Chief Minister N. Biren had alleged that the two Congress MPs have not raised any core issues in the parliament sessions. Responding to the allegations, MP Bimol questioned the integrity of Chief Minister N. Biren as a leader and the constitutional post he is currently holding as elected leader, of people of Manipur. The MP said the people in the state have been going through immense hardships due to the ongoing violence. People have lost their lives, their homes and livelihood. But the government continue to work at the behest of centre, keeping aside the interest of common people. The Chief Minister, as leader of the people, could not act freely. He could not even pay a visit to console a victim's family as his boss in centre instructed against it. The core issue is that the Chief Minister cannot move freely within the territory of the state.